In the calculation to find the length of a side using trigonometry, we've arrived at x is equal to 2.4 times the sine of 31 degrees. Before performing any trigonometrical calculation, make sure that the calculator mode is degrees, which means you should see a D just here. Once you've established this, you can go ahead and do the calculation. We enter 2.4 times sine, S-I-N, 31, close the bracket, press equals, and we get 1.236, and so on. You should write x is 1.236, ... and then round to an appropriate degree of accuracy.